Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn straight stitch. This is a very simple and basic stitch in hand embroidery. It will look very beautiful when we use this stitch in appropriate places. So here I have put straight stitches for these flowers and also small yellow straight stitches for the stamens in the flowers as well as the grasses. Now we shall put the straight stitches in these flower petals. First insert the needle in one point and then finish it in the other point. This is a straight stitch, very simple stitch and basic stitch in embroidering. In all straight lines we insert the needle at one point and finish it in the other point. And so these straight stitches form the flower petals for this flower and it will be very pretty. You can try this straight stitches for all small straight lines in your patterns in different colors. For flower you can use any flower color. And for grasses, I have used green color. Now I have finished the flower petals and let us put the stamens with yellow thread. The same stitch but the stitches are very short here. You can put the straight stitches in any length according to your pattern. In between the petals I am putting short straight stitches for the stamens. Insert in one point and finish it in the other point. This is a very simple stitch and all the learners can do this in the beginning. Though it is a beginner stitch, it will look very pretty and we can use everywhere in our embroidering patterns. In the same way, you can put straight stitches for the grasses too. And I hope you are clear about the stitch. Like, share and comment on this video. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have shared the other related embroidering video links in the description and this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.